Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to stuff some saving challenges. Alrighty, let's keep it moving and let's get her done. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. My name is Shatara and we're going to be doing some saving challenges today. And I'm hitting things. So let's see how much we're going to be stuffing. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 250, 270, 290, 290, 300, 305, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know what I was thinking about while that pause was there. And then of course we still have our money that I pulled out of my wallet. So let's put that there. Okay. I wanted to, let's move this up. We were saying right there. And move you over here. So I wanted to start with Christmas, and I chose 40. So I have these marker slash highlighters that I got from Five and Below that I wanted to use. So let me bring them out. These are it. Y'all don't be sleeping on Five and Below. Let me tell you, Five and Below is off the chain. You be finding some nice stuff in there. So these are the ones that come in here, and I saw some more there. Since this one says forest green, let's use forest green for Christmas. And let's see how this works out. So we are going to, oh, that's nice, y'all. Oh, that's real nice. I like that. I still can't color to save my life, but I wonder how I did when I was going through school. If I actually did color through the lines. I don't know if that was like a thing, you know, that they test you on. I'm quite sure I failed it because I'm failing it as an adult. All right, 40 is colored, and it's, I like that, y'all. That's nice. That's real nice. Okay, so let me get Christmas out. Christmas gets 40. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Put you away. Now we're bringing out the iPad again. Oh look, did you see that? Oh man, I'm gonna have to get that. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Oh, now that I know it bleeds, I need to make sure that I put something underneath it. Good job, Shatara, right? Okay, I'll clean that off after the video. But I am going to pull out the iPad, if I can get it out, and show you the savings challenge that I am doing for my emergency fund. So you see some that's already colored, and like I said before, right now we have $2,465 towards our emergency fund. That includes the amount here somewhere that I put, and that includes the amount that I actually have on hand in my broken envelope emergency fund. So for this, we're going to add $150. And since it starts with the 1 and that is odd, that is going to be the color of gold. So this is how I'm going to color this. And we'll see what the ending balance amount is at the end of July. And then we color. This is easy. It's easy, easy. Easy peasy. All right. And that is done. So 150, easy 150. That goes into my broken envelope. All right. Here's the 50s. We'll turn this way. And then, of course, the hundreds. I know I'm like super close. And then the hundreds are right here. Uh-oh, low battery. Okay. We're almost done using you. Alrighty, so that is that. Let's see if I can. All right. So now we go to the other challenge, which is my 5K challenge, and that is on the Baddies and Budgets. The Baddies and Budgets neutral planner, and that's right here. And what did I do for this one? I did 115. So that's 1, 5, 15. And as you can see, my favorite color is purple, means royalty. So let's scroll on into 115, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other one. This helps me color within the lines. I'm so glad that it straightens out the lines for you, because your girl would be SOL trying to color or make a straight line. It'd be all crooked and curvy. For what reason? All right, so that's that. We pulled the money, the shamoney, the money honey. And yes, I'm using my Save with Baddies envelope until I make my other ones. So we place that 100, and we're placing the 10, and then we're going to place the 5 as my finger is touching the board. And then that's, oh, this one's not broken. That's it for that. Let's see, let's move you out the way, put you in here correctly, and then move you out the way because you're about to die. And let's see what we have left. Got a lot of ones that's going in the big ass jar. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Ooh, so what I'm gonna do is take all these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put those in the big ass jar. And the 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, the 160, because I need to up my school and supplies, put it in here. Because this is going to start getting spent, because I'm not for, you know, waiting to the last minute to get supplies. Like I said, school starts next month, and I already have stuff in my cart. So that's going there. So let's get the big ass jar, you guys. Alrighty, it is time for the big ass jar. I don't know why when I pulled the jar out, I was thinking of that old song. What's his name? Is it Otis Redding? Is it? Oh gosh! But when it goes bounce, 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 until you use me up. Oh, keep on using me. Why can't I open this? Ooh. Okay. I think that's not supposed to be there. Okay, we're gonna keep it how it is. All right, so we're putting these in here. Ooh, that feels good. Can't wait to count these. All right, but yeah, y'all know that song? I think it's oh, you keep on using me. If you know that song, please put it in the comments until you use me up. And then it goes bounce, 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 bounce. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. I'm gonna have to go and clean this desk off. Oh, it's coming off. Till next time, if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe in you, believe in yourself. Please do all things. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, you beautiful souls, I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.